Good day, everyone. I am Christine Liz, and today I would be discussing the benefits of implementing an Enterprise 2.0 solution in an organization. Firstly, I would like to discuss what is an Enterprise 2.0 solution. An Enterprise 2.0 solution is the synergy of a new set of technologies, development models, and delivery methods that would incorporate communication, information, networking, and collaboration. Some advantages of Enterprise 2.0 solutions include content management, user management, high-level security, increased productivity and efficiency, staff engagement, improved knowledge, scalability, and cost effectiveness. These advantages would be discussed in detail in a later slide. Some examples of Enterprise 2.0 solutions are Joomla, Alfresco, Concrete 4, WordPress, Drupal, TextPattern, and SharePoint. However, the solution that was chosen that facilitates group work and improves the standard of documentation within an organization was SharePoint. How would SharePoint facilitate documentation? It would do this by providing a shared storage space within its application that would allow businesses to store documents. This would eliminate the need for employees to constantly transfer documents on their external hard drive. Documents can be easily accessed by any employee within the organization unless the administrator denies them access to a particular document. Co-authoring. SharePoint allows employees to make changes to a single document simultaneously. It also gives them the option of saving previous versions of that document, keeping track of that document, and viewing employees who updated the document along with changes that they have made. Easy-to-use document management tools would help ensure the integrity of a document's content. SharePoint also allows users to view various versions of the document, as well as restoring previous versions and granting access rights to users who can view the document. Getting users up to speed quickly. With the updated version of SharePoint, users are able to use familiar tools which they have grown accustomed to in Microsoft Office to easily create workspaces, host, and edit documents. Information is easily secured. SharePoint would provide the IT department with advanced administrative controls to increase the security of information resources. This feature would also allow the company to reduce costs since there would be no need to hire external parties to manage the system. Providing security control features. The IT department would be able to set permissions on documents as well as item levels, which would allow the site managers and team managers to create workspaces and tasks within those parameters. Easy file sharing. SharePoint utilizes workspace with document storage and retrieval features. These features include check-in and check-out functionality. Users would also be able to recover information faster with the recycle bin feature. Mobile document sharing. Microsoft created an app called OneDrive, which allows employees to receive, edit, and share documents on the go. This feature would be beneficial to employees who travel frequently with no computer access. I would now discuss some of SharePoint's functionalities. SharePoint includes a document library. This is a web part that stores documents in SharePoint. Here you can add and upload new documents, create new folders, edit and delete documents, and most importantly, publish the document so that it would be visible to users on the front end of the application. The document library also includes metadata. These are columns and properties. SharePoint allows you to create custom fields which stores metadata. In this example, custom fields are name, modified, modified by, category, editor, and origin. It also includes a search bar that would allow employees to search through hundreds of documents by name. SharePoint's folder structure. After clicking on the Employee Handbook, you are able to view all versions of the document that was created. This feature allows you to restore previous versions of the Employee Handbook in case incorrect information was displayed to users in the current version. SharePoint's Documents feature. This feature eliminates the need to email documents to employees. Managers have the option of entering an employee's name, email address, or group name, for example, HR department, to share the documents. Managers can also grant them temporary permission to view or edit the documents. After they click the share button, relevant employees would receive a notification to view the document. How would SharePoint facilitate group work? It would do this by making use of features such as document libraries, asset libraries, people profiles, news feeds, wiki pages, and workflows. Access libraries allow employees to share large files, eliminating the need to use external applications like Dropbox. They can easily drag and drop documents, images, and videos to allow employees to utilize them. People profiles allow employees to communicate both in and out of the organization. Their profiles would include their skills and areas of expertise to allow both managers and employees to quickly choose team members based on a particular project. Newsfeed is a forum that allows team discussions. Here, employees would be able to use regular social conventions, such as liking and commenting on project proposals. This would allow team members to determine the ideas that would be executed as well as eliminated. Employees are able to use wiki pages to allow other employees to access the information as opposed to directly requesting information from an employee. Workflows allow employees to automate simple tasks like approving processes with email alerts and online approvals. This would eradicate the need for an employee to physically make contact with a manager to sign a document granting approval to a process or activity. This concludes my presentation. I hope that the information that I shared was helpful. Thank you for viewing.